Mithil Arvind Pai. So your time starts now and you can start presenting.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you can hear. I can hear you.
Okay.
Please start,
Yeah.
Mithil.
Yes, ma'am.
So I have unmuted you I have muted you
Ma'am,
on
I have
one
muted in
device.
laptop when I'm speaking.
Okay, now it is audible. Are you comfortable at this device?
Ma'am, now
Madam,
are you
myself.
facing any issue?
Nothing, Mittal. Go ahead.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So introducing the various masks. The surgical mask which we are using in the market, that is of 2-layer, 3-layer, and such masks are already available. Following by that, there is a P100 mask, which is a type of respirator. And it is also similar to N95. It provides the protection about 95% against this virus. The N95 and N99 mask, they have the filtration efficiency based on the grade mentioned, that is 95% and 99%. N95 and 99 are more preferred in the market because of its economical aspects and also the efficiency. But the 99 mask, that is having less durability because of the elastic fiber. So compared to N99, N95 is more durable. Followed by that, there is a SWS95. So this is a mask which is quite transparent. It is made up of silicone. It is also environment friendly. And this particular mask is having a property that it also have the skin therapy, means it keeps your skin moisturized so that it does not affect your normal skin. So despite of providing protection against virus, it is also helpful for the skin. Another mechanism in this mask is it is an anti-fog mask. So here it resolves the issue of fogging when we are inhaling or exhaling the air. So this is a transparent mask. It also does not have ear loops, so it is very easy to fit as per the face shape. Next is Neo 3D mask. Again, it is an AI powered mask. It is made up of material of N95 only, and it is giving the percentage efficiency of 95%. That is prohibiting the microns of 0.3 micron particle size into the mask. Followed by that, there is a 4S shield mask. So in the 4S shield mask, as the name suggests, that is 4S. So it is protecting the sensory organs, that is the eye, nose, ear, and mouth. This particular mask was developed by a young student, that is a Hitika Shah, and she developed this mask for protection against the COVID and also getting protection against the four sensory organ, because that it can be also the source for entering the virus. Next is the Guardian G face mask. In this, they have used a graphene filtration system. So graphene itself is an antimicrobial agent, so it is having a good efficiency to prohibit the entrance of microbes. Along with that, it is a step above N95, because here it is using a kind of electric charge which is connected with the portable USB device, and it is also easy to sterilize, and we can also reuse this mask. Then next, MOX-AD Tech Face Mask. This is an innovative coating mask. In this, it neutralizes the virus when it comes in contact with the fabric. So it gives some kind of physical and chemical barrier during which the virus becomes the inactivate. Followed by that, again the next innovation. Yes, ma'am.
You have last 30 seconds, okay?
Okay, ma'am. The next mask is air providing, where in inhalation and exhalation, the lipidic part of the virus is destroyed where you inhale and exhale. Followed by there is a UV mask. So they have used the UV LED light, which gives sterilization and protection against the virus. And the electronic mask, which uses the mechanism of electromagnetism for the protection. And the 3D printed mask was designed by a student, where it gives the signal or a color change when any corona positive person is surrounding us. So in conclusion, the economical mask which we are using, that is N95, and some people are also using the mask. but still many innovations are in process which can be economical and as well as safe and effective for the protection against the COVID. Thank you.
Okay. Mittal, can you hear me?
Hello, sir.
Mittal, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Mittal, can you hear? Yeah. What? Give me N95. What does N95 mean?
Sir, the 95, it is made up of the microfibers, and the 95 gives you that the 95% filtration efficiency.
Okay. Now, at present, out of these, which one is the best one to be used?
Sir, right now for the common people use, N95 is good, but sir, some of this masks are at innovation and startup stage, so they are being approved, but the the final testing is still remaining. So the mask like which we can see the 3D printed mask, or we can see that the MOXD TechFest mask. These innovations are still at the later stage. So this can prove to be safe and economical and also efficient at N95.
Mittal?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Who has to approve these masks? Who has to
So
approve these masks?
the national level institute which are working on this virus,
Okay.
particularly we can see from the worldwide it is WHO, and at various countries the agencies or the national institute working for the health safety can approve this mask.
Okay. Okay, then, Mittal, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Shweta,